How to apply for driving license offline in RTO. The step mentioned below will you have to understand how you can apply for driving license. Get the application from Form 1 learning license and Form 4 for the permanent license, i.e. the form of a motor vehicle driving license in India. You can download the form online from the Star Transport website or can get it from the nearest RTO office. Fill the form and submit it along with your age proof and address proof at the RTO office in your area. Ask the RTO official to schedule your driving license test and pay the fees for the same. Reach the driving license test center on the given date and time. On clearing the test, your driving license will send to your registered address. If you are taking driving lesson from a driving school, then the school official can help you. Eligibility criteria for availing driving license in India. Vehicle type eligibility criteria. Motorcycle with gear. The application must be at the 18-year-old. He should be aware of traffic rule and regulation and should have a valid age proof and address proof. Motorcycle without gear. The applicant should be minimum 16-year-old and should have the consent of his guardian or parents. He must be aware to traffic rules and regulation and should possess a valid age proof and address document. Heavy commercial vehicle. The application should have clearing the 8th standard. The application should be above the age of 18. In some state, the minimum age for the vehicle type is 20 years. The applicant should be trained from a government training should or one that is affiliated with the state government. Document requirement for obtaining driving license in India. Address proof, age proof, other document requirement for getting a driving license. 3 passport size photos while applying for a learning license. 3 passport size photos while applying for a permanent driving license. Applicant fees, duly filled application form. For application above 40 years, a medical certificate is mandatory. What is the test procedure to get a driving license? To obtain a driving license in India, you are required to through a test procedure that will test your driving skill and also knowledge a traffic rule and regulation. An application for permanent driving license can be filled after 30 days.